Hello, welcome again. We are solving mathematics paper of year 2024 of NDNA 1 exam. Question number 8 is which one of the following is correct in respect of fx is equal to 1 by root modulus x minus x and gx is equal to 1 by root x minus modulus x. Option A, fx has some domain and gx has no domain. Option B, fx has no domain and gx has some domain. Option C, fx and gx have the same domain. Option D, fx and gx do not have any domain. So here first of all taking fx is 1 by root modulus x minus x. If x is positive, then this will be your x and this is your x, so x minus x is 0, so it will be 1 by 0. So it means when x is positive it will have no domain. So when x is negative, then this quantity will be positive and this will be minus will also be positive. So because x is negative, taking on only magnitude, so it will be x plus x, so it will be 1 by 2x root. So it will mean it will have some domain, because you can put the value of x and this is this will be a real number because we have taken the sign already here. Okay, so it will be real number and it means fx will have some domain. Now if we take gx, so when x is positive, then this x minus x will be 0, because then this will be your x. Okay, this will always be x, so this will be x, so it will be 0. So this is not possible. 1 by 0 is infinite. And when x is negative, then this quantity will be negative and this will be negative already because negative sign is there. So it will be 1 by root minus 2x. So here x is only the magnitude. Negative sign is already taken here, because when we are taking x as negative, it means x is minus x, and this will remain positive x, so it will be minus x minus, so it will be 1 by root minus 2x. So this is your complex number because minus 2 is there and x we are considering only magnitude, no negative negativity we have taken already. So as this is complex number, so there is no domain in this region also, and in this region which is infinity, so it will also not have any domain. So it means fx would have some domain as here when x is negative, but gx has no domain. So answer is option A, fx has some domain and gx has no domain. Answer is